So today in this quick video, I'll share with you an amazing artificial intelligence bot that can solve almost any mathematical problem in just a few seconds. It's powered by ChatGPT-4. The best part? It's completely free. No sign-up required. However, if you want to increase the number of responses, you can create a free account using temporary emails. Now, here's how it works. You can type your math problem directly into this box, or you can upload documents using this icon. This bot can process PDFs, TXT files, Word documents, Excel sheets, or even CSV files. I've downloaded a few math problems from the internet, and I'll show you how to use this chatbot to solve them with ease. First, I'll simply drag and drop the files into the provided field. Next, we need to crop the document, leaving only the math problem visible. Then, click on this Send button. If you encounter an error, just press the Send button again and wait. Now, a quick heads up. Your browser may appear unresponsive, but that's normal. Just be patient. Once processed, your math problem will be solved by the chatbot. I've tested several problems, and it solved them all. Although chatbots are incredibly useful, they aren't perfect. They can make mistakes, so you should always verify the solution to your question. To use this bot, visit the website math.now. Finally, that's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.